Strengthening for the pineal gland. The pineal gland is a small endocrine gland found in the brain, between the right and left hemispheres. It's reddish-gray and shaped like a small pine cone. Maintaining the pineal gland will benefit your immune system, sleep cycles, and your soul's connection to the universe, among others. Listen to this regularly to keep it in an optimal state. We're going to strengthen the blood-brain barrier. The blood that circulates from the extracellular fluid is strengthened. We're strengthening the central nervous system to allow the passage of water, gases, and molecules. Pinealocytes are strengthened to secrete melatonin. We'll strengthen the pineal gland for an optimal hypertensive effect and inhibitor of thyroid activity. We're strengthening melatonin for various cellular, neuroendocrine, and neurophysiological processes. Melatonin is potent for an antioxidant, neuroprotective, immune system modulating, and oncostatic effect. The pineal gland is potent to secrete melatonin at optimal levels. The pineal gland is potent to produce dimethyltryptamine. It's potent for storing serotonin, reinforcing the immune system, and for endocrine functions. The pineal gland is potent to regulate circadian rhythm and wake-sleep cycles. The pineal gland is potent to regulate seasonal rhythms. The pineal gland is potent to regulate stress, physical performance, and mood. We strengthen the pineal gland for optimal functioning of sex hormones. We strengthen the decalcification and elimination of fluoride, removing all resistance to this process. We strengthen the elimination of phosphate crystals. We will tighten and loosen the pineal gland constantly to eliminate hardening. We increase melatonin production to optimal levels to regulate sleep cycles. We erase the accumulated effect of this calcification, such as Alzheimer's, migraines, premature sexual development, hydrocephalus, cognitive and visual changes in this and other lives. We break down pinealomas into quantum atoms and particles and strengthen them to be eliminated through the lymphatic system. Channels, ducts, fluids, centers, and lymph nodes are strong for this elimination. We increase the production, absorption, and transport of vitamin to optimal levels. We increase strength, resistance, speed, coordination, flexibility, and agility in the pineal gland. We strengthen the connection of your body, mind, and spirit with the pineal gland and the pineal gland with your body, mind, and spirit. We strengthen this pineal gland to see beyond what perception shows. We strengthen the pineal gland for self-knowledge without weakness. We enhance the acceptance of reality and eliminate all interpretations of life as harsh, difficult, or tiring, whether due to gland calcification or misunderstanding. We fortify the pineal gland to maintain you calm, peaceful, and present. We link the pineal gland to the central nervous system and the central nervous system back to the pineal gland. We fortify the purification and detoxification of neurons and cells. We fortify the pineal gland to aid cellular regeneration. We isolate all weaknesses of the pineal gland: hypothalamus, pituitary, parathyroid, thyroid, thymus, adrenals, ovaries, or testicles. We eliminate these weaknesses to negative infinity 100% of the time with infinite time. We balance all these glands so they are centered, balanced, and stable. We heighten energy and strengthen physical potential, strength, endurance, speed, coordination, agility, and flexibility to 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We enhance each gland for optimal performance. hypothalamus, anterior lobe of the pituitary, posterior lobe of the pituitary, medulla, adrenal cortex, thymus, parathyroid, pancreas, pineal, ovaries, and testes. We isolate weaknesses in each of these components and erase them, reducing their cumulative effect to nothing less than infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. We ensure everything is centered, balanced, and stable. And we connect each gland to the central nervous system and the central nervous system to each gland. May all connections be formed from top to bottom, bottom to top, right to left, left to right, inside out, outside in, backward forward, and forward backward. 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We will reinforce and increase the physical potential of each gland. We increase resistance, speed, agility, flexibility, coordination, and strength to 100% with unlimited potential, 100% of the time with unlimited time. We're going to eliminate memories in the pineal gland of karmas, traumas, diseases, limitations, fears, and phobias. We eliminate the weakness in the pineal gland that comes from other glands, which comes from organs, tissues, systems, and structures, to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. We're going to strengthen the pineal gland's relationship with the innervations of the parasympathetic nervous system, basic biochemistry, and bioresonance. We eliminate waste, boost nutrients, get rid of internal, external, or midway influences, remove dead cells, amplify the production and delivery of hormones to the blood, and transport across the cell membrane. We strengthen every quantum particle, every atom, every cell, every molecule, every tissue, organ, system, and structure the pineal gland interacts with. We amplify the pineal gland to serve as the soul's portal, receiving empowering information from the universe. We counteract all the misinformation, misconceptions, and misinterpretations about the pineal gland that come from culture, religion, education, experts, ancestors, the collective, family, and even yourself. We're going to mitigate the cumulative impact of having a calcified, intoxicated, and hardened pineal gland. We'll undo the cumulative effect on each life experience that's been influenced by it. We'll fortify you so that from this strengthening, you'll emerge both equal and not equal, different and unchanged, evolving yet constant, aware yet perceptive. We're going to enhance the robustness of the pineal gland to remain powerful, to maintain your body's strength. A strong pineal gland, a strong mind to keep the pineal gland strong, and strong spiritual experiences to maintain this strength. We remove the mind and the cumulative effect of the mind on the pineal gland and send it to other universes, realities, dimensions, time, space, dark matter and energy, blackened wormholes of the universe and other unknown places. We're going to strengthen the internal dynamics, the external dynamics, the internal limits, the external limits, and the vertices of each geometric shape we've worked on, as well as your pineal gland. We strengthen 100% with infinite potential 100% of the time with infinite time. We're going to erase all the weaknesses, everything that prevents, limits, delays, hinders, or blocks this from happening. At 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram, rejuvenate, and readjust your body, your mind, and your spirit. All right, how do you feel? The same or different?